What's going on, everybody? Your boy Crackty here, back with another YouTube video, and today we're going to talk about something that I have yet to find an answer on. Those are the best kind of YouTube videos I feel to make, might reach a wider variety of people. So, have you ever tried using a new overlay, and your overlays are not updating, your stream labels are not updating? Well, today we're going to talk about that. And remember, guys, make sure, as always, if you guys find the video helpful or informative, make sure you guys drop a like. It really does help the YouTube algorithm find other people that may have the same issue that you had, that may have helped you fix it. So, as I said in the title, if you guys are having problems updating your stream labels, like as you can see, mine are current, they're good. This is our current overlay that we're using, okay? And we want to upgrade to a new overlay. Let's go ahead and go take a look at the new overlay and let's figure out what it looks like. As you can see, I have a cheer, I have a follower, I have a subscriber. I do not have a donation yet. That's okay. That's not the point of why we're here. Let's go ahead and switch over to said new overlay that we want to upgrade to. So if you guys notice the first thing here, it says latest cheer, hilt. Okay, that's awesome. That works. And in theory, all of our stream labels should update like that when we come to a new overlay, right? Because as you can see, all of our mini feed right here, we have, followers, raids, all this stuff. We have activity that this app should be able to identify with. It's not. Okay, so have you guys, you're in there trying to find a fix, right? So there's these stream labels. Cool, the cheer works. That's awesome. Follower, we know we have followers. So you double click on it and you're like, what the heck? You're presented with this long bar. Okay, what does that mean? Should you type something in and make it a text file for the time being? No. What we're going to do is we're actually going to observe. I mean, obviously this is the problem we're having, right? These are not updating. So it's not an actual fix. It's a workaround. So we're going to go ahead and hop back over to our original overlay. And now we're back over here. So what we're going to do, since our follower and our subscriber were not updating, what we're going to do is we're going to go click on, say, Scuba Steve for our latest subscriber. Control C for copy, for those who may not be familiar. And again, to test that, go Control V. It says that we got a new one up here at the top. So when we move that, obviously it just mirrored that. Excellent. That's exactly what we want. So then go back over to said new overlay that we're working on. And now we're back over here and Control V, and it brings this text back. It brings this text over here in the same font, in the same color as your old overlay, which is kind of shitty because you got to then go and make it the proper font that matches with the overlay here. But again, you guys see what I'm getting at here. You guys don't have to keep these blank. It is completely unnecessary. I've Googled this problem in numerous different ways. I've yet to find any kind of answer. And so again, we can just take this, slap this up here into our latest subscriber, try to make it look semi-pretty. Go ahead and customize it to your liking. But again, you guys get the point. I have yet to find an answer on this. This has been the only workaround. It can make things very frustrating and very daunting to want to switch to a new overlay. Now you can switch to the overlay with the ease of mind, knowing that you can bring certain stats like that with you. There is a copy and paste control, or a copy and paste feature in Streamlabs here, and I really definitely think that everyone should know that it's there so you guys can use it. Alright guys, if you guys like the video, find it somewhat informing, make sure you guys drop a like, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you guys want to see more of me, I do stream every single night after 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time over on twitch.tv/Crackty. Make sure you guys go check that out, and we will see you guys there. And as always, guys, stay educated, good vibes, and we'll see you next time. Peace.